Hello everyone, here's how I want you to set up your cameras either for your swing videos that you're sending me or for our live lessons. For down the line here, DTL, you can see I've got an alignment stick here on the ground that's on this putting mat. And that's going to be straight down the line this way. So you can see when I'm setting up here to a golf ball, that line is directly in between my feet, my stance line, and the club and the ball, right in the middle. It's also important, as you can see here, that the camera is far enough away where I can see the entire backswing happening. I can see the club. If you put the camera too close, what's going to happen is when you make your swing, I can't see what's going on over here. All right, so it's very important to make sure that you give yourself enough space. You can see how everything is pretty centered here. I'm going to put my phone up here so you can see what it looks like. So here, when I set up my phone to videotape me, I want that to be directly in the center like that. So I'm actually using the record button as a guide. There we go. Another thing that you're seeing is that the alignment stick on the ground is vertical. It's straight. You don't want it going off to the side in either direction. That's very important as well. Now in terms of the face-on view, same thing. You want it right in the center and preferably enough space where I can see the entire swing. Again, very important for both video swing analysis as well as live lessons. The final thing that's very important is we need to be very consistent with the camera height. And so if you're sending me videos and one video is from up here and another one's from down here, you could be making the exact same swing and it's going to look very different. So I'm going to show you right here. If the camera is very high and I take a backswing, it's going to look like it's very flat. But now if I stand up, all of a sudden that same swing looks like it's a little bit more upright. So we want that camera to be approximately stomach high, hip high. All right. If you choose to put the camera a little bit higher, let's say shoulder height, as long as all of the videos are sent on that same height, we're going to be good. Okay. So again, camera height, very important. Make sure it's consistent. So when you're sending me videos, make them all at the same height.